I miss my son. I miss.
We've lived here for like what, 20 years?
For as long as I can remember.
I think 23 years.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and we are here at the original OG Goonzquad garage, and I gotta say, man, this kind of feels good, dude.
Dude, it feels so good, man.
It feels weird a little bit because, I mean, it's kind of dead out here, man, and nothing is here. When we're gone, dude, it's quiet. There's not cars everywhere, nothing going on. It's just crazy.
The neighbors ain't calling the cops.
Yeah, nothing going crazy. We're not doing burnouts. We're not just running around everywhere. It's an eerie place. It's almost like a ghost town.
Yeah,
dude.
Let's look around this corner over here. Like, if you guys don't remember, we had all of the builds in this field right here, and now
it's just a ghost town. Nothing out here. It's kind of peaceful and quiet. I bet parents love it. I mean, kind of. I know mom probably misses when we just tear it up on the yard and
smoke
stuff like
out the whole entire property, dude.
I miss you, my guys. My son.
Is it a lot quieter out here, or is it loud still?
I like messy.
You like the messiness that we had out here? You like the noise?
Only stay here.
But dude, look at this, man. This is the building, man. Look at it. It's just crazy to see it, like where it all started, dude.
It's crazy how we didn't have this building. So we started in that garage right there, right?
That garage, actually, we started outside first. You know, we started just doing stuff outside because the garage was just packed with a bunch of stuff. Then we kind of slowly was using that garage for starting the Goonzquad, man. This is where it all started, out here. And then we slowly grew, slowly brought some gravel. We had this pad out here for a couple years, and finally a building is up. And dude, I cannot even imagine, like,
just how else it could have been.
Yeah,
dude.
I don't know, man. If we would have stuck to construction, it would have still been out there. You know what I mean?
I know, dude. I'm so happy we took that leap of faith. But anyways, the main reason why we are here is kind of just take some stuff out of here and move officially, right?
Yeah, well, we still got a bunch of tools in here. We got a bunch of supplies and stuff like that. We even got our whole entire toolbox set right there. And we're always running back and forth trying to grab some tools, you know, from this shop to that shop. So today we're like, we need to officially kind of like move out and grab like everything that we need, or try to grab everything that we need.
And look at this, we got like a random motorcycle. I forgot about this motorcycle right here. So
Dude,
this would be a cool item to just have around the shop. We got a random Ferrari just sitting there. Forgot about that
Ferrari, man. That thing, it's a timeless piece right there, dude. It's beautiful. I forgot about it as well. But you know what? It can sit here for a little bit. We'll find some space in our shop for that thing here, dude, really soon. But dude,
we're just truly blessed, honestly. Like, you forget that you have a Ferrari. Forgot that we had a Lamborghini and an R8 at Shiki Race.
I mean, guys, it's coming in soon. I mean, we know a lot of questions. A lot of people have been asking. That's all we see in the comments nowadays. R8 Lambo, where's it at? They're gonna be here soon, I guess.
Very soon, yes. So, but anyways, right now I think we're gonna go ahead, probably hop around back.
Yeah.
And there's a trailer back there that we bought for our detailing business back in the day, right?
Yeah, back in the day, years ago, used it like 2 times and then parked it and just like got our detailing supplies out of it. And we'll probably want to pull this sucker out and probably kind of clean it out a little bit, because there's a bunch of junk there. I think we have parts for every one of our build that we built, because like little parts that you don't want to throw away, like a hood to the Lambo that's right there, we're like, oh, we'll keep that. It's like super cool to have, you know, one day.
There's a Dodge Viper bumper in there too.
Brand new Dodge Viper bumper. I believe you can't even get those nowadays. They're like this OEM, dude. You can't even find those things. We got like R8 hoods and a bunch of stuff. So what we want to do is actually like pull this sucker out, clean it up, grab whatever we can, and kind of like take it to the shop.
Yeah, exactly, because that's a brand new trailer pretty much. It just got a bunch of like crust on it.
There's another motorcycle right there. I almost forgot about that. So yeah, there's a bunch of cleanup that we got to do and stuff like that. And that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna get started. This is gonna be super epic. Hopefully you guys enjoy this, because if you guys don't remember when we used to work out here, I mean, there's a lot of new subscribers, and not a lot of people know that we used to bust knuckles in here, dude, all the time.
Straight up, man, for like 7 years, dude.
Easily, dude.
This is a crazy place, but it's gonna get sold.
It's gonna get sold here soon. So we're gonna go ahead, try to pull this trailer out somehow, and go through this shop and look at some memories.
Okay. This memory house.
Yeah, how long have you been here?
20.
20 years, more than 20, maybe.
Maybe 21.
21 years, wow, same chickens. These chickens are all 21 years old.
Yeah.
This is the stuff that we need to put in the trailer, you know what I mean?
Yes, we need all this stuff, dude.
Wait, what is this from? The Bro, Lamborghini, man.
No way.
Is this not? Is this all for the...
Look at that. Thomas been sleeping. Where is Thomas? Max, where's Thomas at? Thomas. Dang, Thomas got thick. Oh my goodness. Thomas the Hellcat. The best cat in the world, man. Dude, this hood right here is valuable right here. And also that R8 hood, there's a dent in it, but I know it can be fixed.
Dude, once we get our equipment from Dent Fix, dude, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get that thing fixed.
Dude, if you think about it, there is a lot of valuables out here in parts. I know we got a Lamborghini door in this shop right here that's like $5,000.
I think it's a little bit more because it comes with a mirror and handle, which is a mirror is around $5,000. So it's a $10,000 door, dude, that we just have sitting around. We're always in the back of our heads. One day we'll get another Lamborghini. We'll swap it out with that door.
Well, why live like that? Let's just sell everything, get rid of everything. We need to start an eBay store.
Don't record those.
This is your first truck too right here, right? Remember you used to drive this thing to school?
This was my baby right here.
How many times did you roll this thing?
A few times.
How scary was it?
It wasn't that bad. It was just a life-changing experience.
Dang. Hey, this is Pop's beloved. Pops will never retire this thing. You know what you should do? Back up with this door open into that tree.
I really want to, honestly.
Hey, do a little drift right there.
It's a one-wheel peel machine.
Golly. There you go.
I miss my son.
come work.
I miss.
Come work.
Simon Elazar, my best boy.
No.
And here is the legendary garage where it started. Mom's got dishwashers. Are you starting a little dishwasher?
Yes.
Or it's not a dishwasher.
Clothes washer.
This is a what do you call those things?
Washing machine.
Washing machine right here. Mom's starting a washing machine business. Right? Out the garage. We started in here. Now you can start in here.
I need to clean my garage.
I did buy this guitar back in the day on accident. Now, I actually seen somebody just randomly on the side of the road, and I was like, hey man, how much for the guitar? And he was like, 20 bucks. And I just gave him 20 bucks. I thought it was pretty cool back then. Now it's just a piece of history right here. This is like, you know, this is just a piece of memory that shows that you can change your life, right?
Yes.
Were we bad or good kids back in the day? Be honest.
Very bad.
Where's Thomas? Thomas ain't the same no more. He changed.
Got the good cat food now. He don't even care.
Man, he got that catnip.
He used to get that. What are those little treats people used to send him?
Oh yeah.
Change him forever.
Oh my goodness. Let's see if we can break this right here. See it?
Oh, there it goes. It already broke.
Dang, easy. Gotta pick this up. Ain't no stopping a Ranger. Let me see it. Let me see the new design right quick. Let me see. Shoo. That's fire, dude.
Keep that quiet between me and you.
I know. Hey, you missed those little dogs right across
I
the
did
street?
not miss those dogs at all.
I think our neighbor, she might not like us, I don't know, but I think she had like probably like 100 pugs in the yard.
I think she still does. Probably has like 200 pugs.
But they would always bark. I remember we tried to film something and they just go barking like
They had to
crazy.
film scenes hundreds of times.
Oh, look at this. Thomas is already inspecting. Thomas loves that. And Pops is already here. He got word that we were cleaning stuff up. And
He got word that I was ripping around in his Ranger. he ran here quick.
Pops is somewhat of a collector, you know, and he's going to make sure we don't throw anything away.
He's a big collector. He'll collect a candy wrapper, honestly.
He thinks he's going to need it. So, and
Yeah.
sometimes he does. Sometimes, or a lot of times,
We'll be like, oh, I think we need that. He's like, I know exactly where it's at.
yeah, that's right.
Wow.
Pops, we're throwing away this whole trailer. Serious?
No.
Come on. Let's throw it away.
Nah. Whoa.
How do we take it from?
Whoa.
How do we get it? Wow.
How did I ever save these S2000?
Ooh, S2000 stuff, all garbage.
What the heck is this big hair vent for?
Oh my god.
Is this for the Ferrari?
Look at this.
Wait, brand new Lamborghini headlight. Oh.
No way. Jackpot right here, dude. Is that a good headlight? I knew we'd find something.
Good enough.
Let's see the tabs on it.
Dude.
One tab broken right there, dude. Somebody fix it
Big
up
deal.
right there.
You know, this is like a $3,000 headlight right
The
here.
Huracan headlight. Garbage.
We'll save that. tail light for a Lamborghini, dude. You can still use this. Skirts with it.
Throw away that whole thing, bro. That blue is ugly as heck.
Nah, that was lit back then, dude. Oh, don't ever do interior.
I would never do upholstery.
Ever again.
Oh, what if we did these seats in that color?
What is this for?
Trash.
Not a Viper?
Trash.
Lunchtime.
Alrighty guys, so we made it here to the Goonzquad garage with this trailer right here, and of course as soon as we got here we gave this sucker a complete clean because this thing was just absolutely filthy. We did bring a few little items here and there, but right now we're actually running back to the original Goonzquad house for probably the final time and grab the last bit of tools that we need. There's a bunch of good stuff over there like we mentioned. We just want to go ahead and bring it over here, but man, this place is getting a little clustered as well, dude.
Yeah, I mean, we got a lot of stuff. We got a lot of new parts that came in for new builds and stuff like that. So there's a bunch of epic stuff coming in, but you know what?
We are getting rid of some stuff. That Can-Am is about to leave the premises here really soon. But as for that Urus, I guess we're not gonna really have time to work on that right now. So I guess we'll just save that for the next video. But
yeah, of course.
I say right now, we don't waste any more time. Let's just run back over there and just grab the last bit of stuff. Lamborghini steering wheel right there.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, bro. We got like.
Let's take them all with us.
We need to. That's adrenaline right there. That's what it is. All right, guys, so I believe this is our last time coming out here. I think we got everything that we need. We grabbed a few extras here and there, some memorabilia right there that we're gonna hang, you know, maybe at your new house in your living room. That looks really good, you know, that flag right there.
Yeah, right there. Or in the barn right there. That looks like more of a barn find thing.
For sure.
Dude.
We got all of our old steering wheels because we got to ship those suckers off to AZA because those guys, look at my steering wheels. This is not even all of them right here. They have hooked us up with some amazing steering wheels, so we'll ship those suckers off. Got some other things, got some tools, got some new welding stuff, a bunch of other stuff.
Bunch of random stuff, and I think everything else is just gonna stay behind except for the Ferrari. We just gotta take the Ferrari, and everything else is gonna stay here, except for maybe a few little random parts here and there.
Yeah, it just depends. But other than that, dude, this is it, man.
It's gonna be missed, dude.
We are out, dude. I don't know what will happen to this place. Maybe it'll disappear. Maybe it will come back. Who knows, dude?
I know, dude. It's gonna be crazy, but hey, it was a good run here. We've lived here for like what, 20 years?
For as long as I can remember.
I think 23 years or something like that, dude.
Long time. We've been here. We grew up here. This is some crazy stuff out here.
There's an old house over there that we used to go into as little kids. You know what I mean?
Abandoned. Just fun stuff out here.
Fun stuff. We used to crawl through this ditch right here and go all the way to the neighbor's house over there.
We used to go tubing in it when it would rain really hard.
We used to have little bottle cap races when it used to be small.
All
until
types
Pop
of stuff.
stuck it out.
All types of stuff.
It's crazy.
Yes,
and
sir.
It's gonna be it's a hard one, hard pill to swallow, but you know what? It's part of life.
Part of life. Move on and go back to the new shop. Take off as soon as I open the door.
Alright guys, so that's going to be pretty much a wrap for today's video. Kind of a little bit different, but you know what? It had to be done. We've officially moved out of the old original Goonzquad garage. Now we're in this much more epic garage right here where a bunch of epic things are coming at you here really soon. And as for the Urus, we're going to be right back onto it in the next video. Get the sucker completely finished up, throw in an exhaust, test drive that sucker, throw in some other aftermarket stuff, make that sucker sweet, and test that sucker up against the Trackhawk and a few other things and anybody that really wants to race that thing. But that's going to be all. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Definitely drop all your comments and thoughts down below. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.